So once we have set things up, let's start WaveGen. We also need supplies. So let's go into supplies. We only need the red power supply. So we'll set that to 5 volts and it is ready to be switched on whenever I want. So let's go into WaveGen. Now in WaveGen, I need to import my song. So what I'm going to do is to change the mode to play, and I'm going to import a song. Let's see if I can do that here. Maybe this should do it. All right, so I got all my song in, and then I can say okay to import the song, and it is going to take a moment, and then it's going to, well, right now it is not responding, so I'm going to give it a minute. Okay, so that's the song that I'm trying to play. Um, that is ready for me as well. So I'm going to move the transmitter and receiver a little bit closer to each other. And if I turn on the transmitter, supplies, I can turn them on, and uh, I can turn on the song as well. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see the light being turned on, but the light is turned on, and it is blinking very, very fast. We can't see it, but it is actually sending out. And if I use my oscilloscope channels across the LED, I can measure those pulse width modulated square wave. I'm not going to do that because I'm hoping that all my connections are good. I verified them a few days ago, so let's see if that continues to be the case. But if you're doing this at home, then I would encourage you guys to put a channel of voltages across your voltage probes across your LED to see whether that pulse width modulation is happening or not. But my transmitter is ready. However, my receiver is not ready because it has everything. It doesn't have the power supplies. I do not want my power supplies to drain, which is why I disconnected them. And I am going to take a moment, connect them, and then um, see if that is able to play the song or not. But right now, transmitter is going, so that's fine. So for the first battery, I'm going to connect the red wire to the top rail, and I'm going to connect the black wire to the bottom rail for the first battery. And then for the second battery, I'm going to do the red wire to the bottom rail, and I'm going to connect the black wire to pin number 4. And then because there is a lot of ambient noise, I'm going to turn off the lights. Let me check if you guys are able to hear me or hear the song. Brilliant. So that's actually playing from the speaker. Let me All right, so I think that's all I have. So I'm going to first, I'm going to remove my power supplies because I want them for the second section. Um, Place them over here. Turn on the lights. All right, brilliant. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You could have enjoyed it much better if you actually went through the project, but in any case, this was the intended project. That was project 4. Let me stop recording and then we can take questions here.